Hello guys, today we are going to see the lead code question count good numbers. A digit string is good if digits at even indices are even and digits at odd indices are prime number. Here the numbers are from 0 to 9. So for example 2582 is good because 2 and 8 are even position and the digits 5 and 2 are at odd position and are prime. So for here n equal to 1, output is 5 because for length 1 we have these all numbers which can satisfy the condition. As n is odd, so all numbers we have to return n is 1 means its index is 0. So as index of n equal to 1 is 0, so we have to return all the numbers, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 as the answer. So first if the 4 digit number is given, so 2 5 8 2, so we need to find the number of if n equal to 4, so odd numbers or odd, this is the 0 index 1 2 and 3, so there are 2 odd indices, so it is n by 2, and number of even indices is for the number of even indices, if the length is odd, then the number of even indices will be n by 2 plus n modulo 2. This modulo will in case of odd numbers would give 1 and that would be added with this. So for 0 to 9 there are the number of prime numbers are 2 3 5 7, 4 prime numbers. Number of even numbers are 0 2 4 6 8, 5 numbers. So we have to call a power function in which we would be finding the power, and as given in the question that we have to do the modulo with 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So first we will be finding the answer for the, as there are 5 numbers, so we have 5 possibilities, so we will be multiplying, we will be giving 5 and we will be passing the power function for element that is 5, and here n would be passed, that is the number of elements, number of odd elements into so here number of odd elements are, number of even elements are 5, so 5 into the power function, so 5 into power, here 5 possibilities are there, 5, and number of even indices would be passed, number even indices count, and that would be multiplied with power of 4 or prime count. So this would be the, let us see the code, this would be the answer. Let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. First a mod is taken 10 to the power 9 plus 7 in this power function. Before doing this, the even count and prime count variable is taken. Prime count is n by 2, even count is n by 2 plus n modulo 2. This is done because at odd indices the prime count is taken, and here 5 number of even numbers is passed, which is given as x, and even count is also passed, and here 4 prime numbers along with the prime count. Modulo mod is done because we have given the question to do modulo. So in the power function, if n is 0, then we have to return 1, then we have to reach the last position n by 2, first 1 would be returned, then during the backtracking the answer would be multiplied with answer and mod should be done. And if or in each of the iteration when n becomes negative in the division process, we have to multiply x, that is 5, if there are 6 elements, so it will be when divided by 2, then 3 it would become 3. So during that condition we have to multiply with x, that is the 5, because 5 possibilities are there and we have to do the mod and finally return the answer. So this is the code. Thank you.